Hi there, students. A jape. Okay, a jape is a practical joke. Normally it's to play a trick on someone. We'll all have a laugh and play a jape on Simon. We'll find a snake and we'll put it in his bed. That would be a good jape. A gag, a joke, a practical joke, a trick. Yeah, some sort of antic, some sort of escapade or a stunt. So a jape, it's a humorous joke, or it's meant to be a joke at somebody's expense. Yeah, it's a prank or a trick. Kids are always playing japes on people. A practical joke. So the kids put some stink bombs in the teacher's desk as a jape, but the teacher didn't actually think it was very funny. Okay, so it's a jest, a joke, a silly trick, which can be quite funny, but it doesn't really involve upsetting them. It's generally not something very serious. So the snake, you better make sure it's not poisonous, because if it is, it's no longer a jape. It's no longer a practical joke. Okay, so a jape, a practical joke, playing tricks on someone. Yeah, to fool somebody. There are all sorts of japes. I don't know, I remember once at university I got back to my room to discover that it was full of scrunched up newspaper. Or you could put telephone directories. You could block somebody's door with telephone directories. There are all sorts of japes. It's to play a trick on something. It's something designed to amuse, and normally someone is the butt of the jape. Yeah. Okay, so a jape, it's a joke, some sort of jest. It's a practical joke that you play on somebody. So practical jokes, mischievous pranks, mischievous tricks that you embarrass the target, or you confuse them, or you discomfort them. You give them all sorts of problems, some sort of shenanigans, some sort of gag. Yeah, but this practical joke or this jape, it shouldn't be to bully or harass. It should just be to making social bonds and playing practical jokes. Yeah, April Fool's Day is a good joke, a good day for a jape. I remember once actually we stole a sheep and we put it on the beautiful lawn of our Cambridge college. Well, they found out where it went, etc., but they never found out who did it. Okay, so this is the idea of a jape. It's just some sort of practical joke, some sort of prank. Let's see, from Middle English, Japan, to play tricks on somebody. Okay, so Old Norse, Gjalpa, to yelp. Old Saxon, galpon, to brag, to make a noise. Anyway, so a jape. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Jape.